This semester, we talked a lot about digital literacy and its impact on students. Digital literacy is going to be one of the most important skills that we can be teaching our students in the 21st century. Students are going to be faced with many different dilemmas as they are trying to get through all of their research. They live at a point in time where they have so much access to so many different types of materials that our students really need to be able to critically think about what they're reading and the accuracy of it. In our school, we do teach digital literacy, but it's very independent and it doesn't have a main curriculum that we use. So different courses embed it into their work. They review where sources come from in a very peripheral way. It's not the main crux of any of the lessons, and it's depending on the departments. So certain departments take more of the weight than other departments, as it is a middle school. Some things that I'm suggesting that we change is that we provide students with examples of hoax websites or false information. I think it's going to be really important to not warn the students that they're about to see this, but to see if they can figure out for themselves when something isn't true and do it in a really authentic way. I also think that they should have independent lessons that aren't part of an embedded material, but really focus in on the concept of digital literacy to really illustrate how important it's going to be, while also embedding it into other regular lessons so that they're frequently getting experience with this. I also think it's important to bring all of the departments to a consensus. This doesn't mean that all the departments have to teach it the same way, but we should all be in communication with each other so that we know what strategies are working and also so that we have kind of a common language to help support our students. And lastly, I think it's going to be very important to have the students do a lot of the research gathering on their own instead of putting the onus on the teacher. We want to make sure that our students can not only spot material that may not be reliable, but also that they can find it. In my new role as a professional coach at my school, I do plan on having professional development surrounding digital literacy and bringing together the different school leaders to make sure that we have consensus and that we're able to bring our students this very important lesson.